Previously on Iron City Garage.
What happened to you? You poor girl. Somebody left you somewhere they weren't supposed to. Such a rare car. This is an R code. This is an R code 428 Cobra Jet Torino. The driveline, it's got a 302 in it now. The driveline's here somewhere. We just wanted to get it out because we have the machine here. I'm not taking this car, I don't believe, but we just wanted to get it out of there while we have a Bobcat here. So now we got to figure out where we're going to put it, and it doesn't look like I can push it, so we have to pull it to its next destination. The Torino's already out. It's already all broken up and busted, but it's real easy. I can get the tractor behind it, winch cable on it, and this is the R code. This is a 428 Cobra Jet Torino. So really rusty, but we got somebody lined up for it. Let's try and get this thing on the rear axle. Yeah, now this drive shaft. So, this rusty thing behind me is a 68 or 9 R code 428 Cobra Jet Torino. So very rare car. These cars have been in the last 4 or 5 years becoming increasingly popular and sought after by Ford guys. So, you know, to my surprise, when friends of mine and whatever you want to call them, other guys in this business, found out that I was picking this place and that there was one of these here, and we had, to my surprise, a lot of interest in it. So that's it. It's on the trailer. It's going to make us a couple bucks. This place is local-ish. You know, we could do it in a day, so that's helpful. We don't got to run to Illinois. And so we're going to get this thing strapped down kind of in the same fashion we did the Mustangs. It's not really going to be traditional wheel and tire tie down. Pretty much going to cargo net this thing and hold it down by the firewall in the back of the car, and the winch cables on the axle, and that's it. But she's going to want to shake apart. We don't know what's inside. That's a surprise. And that's it. Easy Friday. That's a good bolt they put on that one. Okay, not gonna worry about it. There's the Broncos grave.
You never did walk back here, though.
No, we never did. Oh boy. Any chance you might have a title for that? Did you find any motorcycle title?
I found motorcycle titles, but not for that. I knew that one was there. I forgot about it.
Is that something you want to sell? Yeah, because that's the kind of shit I'm looking for.
Yeah.
A lot of guys just want them hanging from their garage ceilings, or a restaurant will buy them or something and use them as a prop, but still, it's not something I probably won't get stuck with on a dream. Yep. Like I said, for whatever reason, my crayons got sharp. I couldn't process the side one on the way up there. Yeah, that's probably worth something. I'm not the infinite guy.
Ready?
Yep.
Boom.
Yeah, no chance. Spark plug's out.
All right, so we're back. It's a couple weeks later. Last time you saw this thing, we were picking it up off the Ford farm. As you know, it's a Ford Torino, 68, 69. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the rest of the net off it. Then we're gonna empty it out and see if there's anything cool inside of it, because it's full of a bunch of randomness. Probably, I think Pete said we're gonna push it backwards, and then we're going to try and put some of the 4-speed top loaders that he found on the farm in front of it. So this will be another one of those quick little mini videos. I don't think it's going to take me too long to get this thing emptied. I'm going to start on the passenger side so I can just put this right here, but I'm also going to have my little head piece on so you can see what I'm doing as I pull the stuff out. So right now I'm going to get the rest of the straps off. I'm going to get the rest of the net off. And we're gonna open up this side door, hopefully. So that looks like a pelvic bone, leg bone. Something died in there. So, all right, we're gonna start on the passenger side though. That release the door a little bit. Get them out of the way. Whoa, trunk opened. All by itself, automatic trunk. Look at this. Back bumper, maybe? Maybe? All right. Can I get it up and over? Let's see what this is. Oh wow, that's nice of them. Bunch of weights. That looks like something off a fireplace, maybe. One of those things that Pete has for fireplaces. Fireplace cover. Oh, it's like weighted shoes. I see some ski poles, piece of trim. Put that right there. Let's see some more. Oh, nope, this is like siding. This might be garbage. Pete's coming up now. Let's see what this is. Another, I don't know, metal something. Oh, got some burners. Somebody's taking apart a stove. This looks like garbage. It's like a curtain or something. What up? Huh? Iron bar. Chair bottom. Scrap. I need like a scrap pile. Somebody. Yup. Let's see what this is. Another big piece of, I don't know, something. Is that a fireplace cover? Like front?
I don't know. This is a lid to something. That's something for an oven.
Ooh, cool jar. Full of a bunch of jar caps. Looks like, I don't know. Fan blade. Dude, there's literally an oven in here. What is this? Another piece of exercise equipment. Carpet. Ridiculousness. Dude, there's a whole rug in here. That's crazy. Ski poles, broken ski pole. More destroyed blinds, garbage. More oh, that's a piece of trim maybe. Nope, that's for a window. Garbage. Big ass fucking jar. Dude, new speakers, bro. There we go, big ass piece of fucking scrap. Dude, we could sell this at Carlisle for like $100. Speaker, garbage. There's one of those, what? One of those visors?
Yeah, it's junk.
That's what I thought. 80s visor.
Nice fucking whole piece of carpet.
It's like a fucking fireplace repeller. Children repeller. Trash. Fucking fishing net. More junk. Kinder. At one point a shelf. This one's broke. Scrap. More scrap. Other half of the old visor. I don't know. The other side of the oven. Well, at least that door opens all the way. Scrap. New fan. More scrap. So we're working with so far. I don't know if it's stuck on the shifter or...
trying to find a used heater for the detail shop that I could pick up like that.
Oh, there's keys.
Got keys?
There's some sort of keys.
Sweet. Yeah. That pry on the side of that hat, on the side of the lid. Actually, you spray the lock cylinder and then spray the key. Like the pivot. Go in there.
Not that way. Hold on.
You know how to get it in?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Not that one.
I was just saying, yeah, I'm not married yet.
This is. Boop. Nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. There's got some of this. That's a pretty nice plate right there. If it still has disc brakes, so what you're asking?
It does, yeah. It does still have disc brakes. Okay. Oh, let me see what year this thing was. I haven't looked. I don't have enough caffeine today. I was up way too late.
68?
9.
69?
69 R code. Yeah, so the VIN, the first digit of the VIN on these, on this era, Ford's always the so like it starts 9H, 9 is the year. It's a 69, and then the 5th digit's going to be your engine code, and it's an R. So that would have made this a 420. It's an 8 or a 9 Cobra Jet car. 428 or 429. I think it's 428 Cobra Jet. Now this motor, the 428, is not present. There's a 302 in there now. We're still hunting down the 428 on that farm. So we'll be back out there again with Dan, hunting it down. It's a large piece of property. Being told it's there somewhere. So find it eventually. We're gonna be picking that place for a long time. There's not like any, you know, anything major left there, but it's just like, it's close enough when we need something to do and he's available. We all get along great. We got there, have some fun and see what we can find. So, but the car, I think, already has a new home lined up. So we're gonna work on that today, getting that finalized. Then we'll likely get this load finalized and get this car drugged backwards a little bit. I don't know, I might have to go get some 2x4s this time and build this thing a little box around it off the rub rails, so when stuff falls off of it, I don't lose it. Cargo net it real heavy, and that's it. So lots of stuff to do. And I don't want to tow that trailer. Hey, thanks for watching our video. We really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have cars like these in your garage, if you have a fastback Mustang or convertible Impala, a nice original paint pickup truck or an old cab over truck, and you want to sell it, I'd love to try and put a deal together with you. You can get a hold of me at 412-335-6100. We pay excellent prices. We pay finder's fees. You know, it's no secret. We do make a little money on the YouTube videos, so that allows me to pay, you know, sometimes market value or really good prices for these cars. We'd love to come out and drag it out of your barn. We'd love to film it. We'd love for you to be a part of that whole process. So if you have an original paint or an original old fastback Mustang that needs work, like these ones I have on my trailer, or if you have an old pickup, or again, a convertible Impala, cab over truck, whether it doesn't matter where you are, we buy nationwide here in the United States, all the way as far as California. I've had stuff, New Mexico, Arizona, Oregon, Washington, high desert stuff we love. So, or if you're in the East Coast and it's a rusty Mustang or a rusty convertible Impala, that is fine. We typically don't buy many trucks on the East Coast, but I buy a lot of cars on the East Coast. If you have cab over parts also, especially for these early Fords, I'd be interested in that. It never hurts to send me an email or a text. IronCityGarage@gmail.com. You're welcome to send me an email or a text message, probably the best. You kind of get an instant answer that way. 412-335-6100. I'd love to talk to you. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully we can make a deal on what you guys have on your farms or in your garages.